My house is a lot like your house. It's not new, it's not old, it's had some improvement, it needs more, and it needs maintenance. And out here on the prairie, that means air conditioning and heating. It needs a lot of work, and my air conditioning system is old, and I had been limping along, getting repaired every so often to make it through those seasons, and I finally got the new system from Robinson Air, and this is the reason why. Is I had recently had it repaired. It was $550, something pretty good chunk of money, and not the next day I was like, you know, I should have gotten the new system then, and I didn't. And I was thinking, oh, I need to go ahead and get this, but I didn't want to waste that $550. That's a lot of money. Well, Robinson Air has a new repair buyback program. Is that buyback repair? Is that what you call it? Yeah, program where up to a year ago or even further, if you've had a repair on your AC system that's for $1,000 or less, Robinson Air will buy that repair back towards your purchase on a new system, and that's what I did. And I'll tell you what, I'm comfortable, Darryl. I'm just going to sit back and go, this is a nice system. You know, it's just getting a little bit colder, and I feel a lot better in my new system. I didn't realize how much nicer it is to have a brand new HVA system, and you guys have been doing a lot of that this fall, haven't you?
Yeah, we are, and most of our customers are just like me. It's kind of like the old, and a lot of our customers will remember this, it's like the old Hair Club for Men commercial, right? And he says, I'm not only the president, I'm also a member, and he's bald, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But I mean, I'm that way, even though, I mean, we can afford to, you know, we can get a new system, but if I've invested, just like your vehicle, right?
Yeah.
If I've put a new starter on my truck, then, well, I invested $500-600 in it. I better hang on to it for a while. But if I go to a dealership and they say, you know what, we'll give you that money back toward a new vehicle, you know, and I could get the new vehicle if I wanted either way. I just hate the idea of wasting money. Now I feel like I've thrown that money away. But if I get reimbursed for that, then I've not wasted any money. It makes that decision a little bit easier. And that's what we want to do. We just want to make it easier for our customers to make that decision.
Yeah, and I'm the customer. I'm your customer, and it was easier. I was like, okay, I don't have to try to feel like I got my money's worth, that $550. I don't have to feel like I got my money's worth out of that before I get another new system, when really I should have got the new system, but I just wasn't ready. I was like, I just don't know if I'm ready to do that just now, even though I know I should have, but I didn't. And so you're safe with Robinson Air, and that's a new program, and I took advantage of it just recently. And one of the reasons why I was like, all right, this winter coming up, I'm a little concerned that we're going to have another one of these blizzards or whatever you want to call it, apocalypse, and not quite be ready. And that's the worst time for your heater to go out, when it's either really, really hot or really, really cold. The heat you can handle, but the cold, that damages your house.
Right. Yeah. And two, even if you had someone else, another company, repair your system, we will reimburse up to $1,000, you know, toward a new system from someone else's repair. It doesn't have to be our repair. It can be someone else's.
And that was me. I used a repair company in Wichita Falls. Robinson Air is in Wichita Falls and Lawton. And I was amazed. I was like, really? You're going to give me that money back? And when I buy a new system from you, I was shocked. I was like, well, all right, that makes it easy. I'll do that just fine. And so, very comfortable, very assured, and you know, you got to like Robinson Air, somebody who will do that for you in the area. All right. Well, this is Darryl Robinson. He's the owner of Robinson Air. If you're like me and you need a little tune-up, or you're thinking, I don't want to waste that money I just had on the repair, they will buy back that repair up to $1,000 towards a new system. I love that. Makes it easy. All right, Darryl, we'll see you next month.
Thank you.